Hi dearest, so today I'm going to be showing you how I made this lace fascinator. Yes, it was made from lace of my attire and the door face that was put underneath. So we start off with covering our fascinator base with the door face. Now this fascinator base was actually made from princess mats. I'd already molded that previously. If you need a video, please do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so in covering it, remember you have to do your north, south, east and west to ensure that you have a smooth covering. After that, you start grabbing the parts close to the west and the north, like so, all the way through. Keep watching and learning. Next step, turn your fascinator upside down and take your razor blade and cut off the excess. You need to do this all the way around. Okay, so I've already fixed the Alice band, but just in case you haven't fixed your Alice band, the best time to fix it is before you cover your fascinator base at all. And so because I had already covered it with the door face, what I did first of all was to use fishing line and then sew it. But when you're sewing on the top part, you ensure you pass the thread through the same place that it came out, close to, not exactly. Okay, so what I'm doing now is covering it with the lace, and you will see that the lace wasn't completely enough to cover it all the way around. So you need to keep watching to get the wisdom on how to ensure that every part of the fascinator base is covered with your lace. Keep watching and learning. fully covered with your lace, what you do is you check the lace pattern of the top part and cut out a pattern that is similar, just patches of it, and then you stick like I'm doing. Keep watching and learning. Next step, turn your fascinator upside down and take your razor blade and cut off the excess. Want to make use of your bias to cover up the edges of the place where you glued. A step further to decorate the back of my fascinator with some lace patches. Hope you gained value from today's video. If you did, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. And if you want to make sure you don't miss the next training that would come up on other designs I made with this lace, which will fascinate you like the Fascinator, do click the bell to get notified when I make those uploads. Why not check this next video before you leave my channel?